Another complaint that popped up recently was someone wrote in to complain about female weather forecasters not dressing appropriately for the weather they're forecasting.
Disgraceful, yeah. That's absolutely disgraceful.
Right, we'll print that. Excellent.
Well, I couldn't possibly comment on how other people dress, of course. Now, personally, I'm not a fan of bare arm look in winter. I don't like that myself. But again, I think, you know, some people, it's not always Met Éireann personnel either, but there's different views on it. So hopefully we always get the weather right, or the forecast is good anyway.
Yeah.
But sometimes people get forecasts from other stations or from other media outlets and then attribute it to Met Éireann, for example. But there's always going to be a limitation to the accuracy of forecasts. But sometimes we get blamed in the wrong. For example, we get a lot of complaints. You forecast snow for Christmas in the summer and it didn't arrive. Sorry, no, we didn't. So sometimes we get blamed in the wrong too.